Alright, so Tesla stock is reporting earnings today. While this will increase volatility in the post-market, we'll only get a real sense of its impacts tomorrow. Today, we see that Tesla hit $299.29, so it did not reach our $300 target that we have been talking about since when it was at $170. That is a total failure. However, keep in mind, the trend is still bullish. Do you think earnings can change that? Let's see. Stick with me. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. So let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart over here. We see that Tesla is, it is losing momentum right now. Today's candlestick is bearish so far. So it is trying to show some weakness right now at this moment. Honestly, since earnings will bring some volatility, there are two possible scenarios over here. Either Tesla is going to explode upwards or explode downwards. As I already told you guys yesterday, I believe that we're gonna see an upwards explosion, right? However, since the trend is still bullish, I believe that even if Tesla explodes downwards, even if it crashes, I believe that could be just an amazing buying opportunity as long as we see a decent reaction above near a crystal clear support level. Because hardly Tesla is going to make a move higher than 10%, up or down, right? So if Tesla drops roughly 10% over here, we are going to retest a previous support area made by the $265 near the 21 exponential moving average, and this is a quite realistic scenario to work with if Tesla actually crashes after earnings. And that would be a quite interesting scenario because I have been telling you guys, it's been a while since Tesla does not hit the 21 exponential moving average again. The last time we hit the 21 EMA was on May this year, more than 2 months ago. This is not normal. So if Tesla stock crashes after earnings and retest the 21 EMA, that's okay. That would be a relief, to be honest. Now, would that change the bias over here, the main trend? Of course not, because in order for Tesla to actually reverse the bullish sentiment, we gotta see lower highs, lower lows. So far, Tesla has been doing nothing but the opposite. Higher highs, higher lows. We are above the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA is pointing upwards. So it is still a bull trend. In a bull trend, pullbacks must be seen as opportunities to buy. Now, Nathan, what if Tesla actually explodes upwards and break your first target at $300? Then I see Tesla retesting our previous resistance level around $314 up here. That's a quite realistic scenario to work with if Tesla actually explodes very, very high after earnings, if the volatility increases a lot over here. But it is also important to pay attention on the indices over here, because we see that the S&P, it is not dropping, it is not bearish yet, it is still going up, the candlestick is still bullish, the trend is still bullish. To me, we are heading towards our next technical resistance level at 46.37 over here, which was a previous top level from March last year. So yes, in my humble opinion, we are heading towards this resistance level over here. Just like Tesla, it has been a while since we don't see the S&P approaching the 21 EMA, hitting the 21 EMA. I'm so sorry, because a couple of times over here we actually corrected, we approached the 21 EMA, but we failed in actually hitting the 21 EMA. The last time we actually hit the 21 EMA was on May this year as well, just like on the Nasdaq index over here, May 4th. So that was the last time we actually hit the moving average. And since then, we have been doing nothing but higher highs, higher lows in an insanely bullish momentum over here. So if earnings, not only Tesla earnings, because right now we are about to enter earnings season, but if this earnings season actually triggers a sharper correction on the broad market, I think that would be just a perfect excuse for the broad market to correct, for Tesla stock to correct. I don't see this as a major bearish reversal structure, even considering that there are possible bearish catalysts out there. Even considering these catalysts, I do expect short-term volatility, but I don't believe the major trend will reverse that easily. Remember, earnings were never a major catalyst for a big reversal, right? Never. You may just do your own backtest over here. Earnings usually just enhance the previous movement. Regardless if earnings are good or bad, regardless if the trend is bullish or bearish, earnings just enhance the previous movement. Statistically speaking, historically speaking, this is what happened most of the time on the previous earnings over here. Therefore, this is why I believe that Tesla is going to explode upwards after earnings. And even if Tesla actually tanks, I don't see this as a major technical bearish reversal structure. Now, as I already told you, I see a major support area around the 21 EMA, around the $265. This is a major support level, and if Tesla actually tanks, I believe it is going to hit this area over here. What if Tesla explodes? $314 is our next technical target. It is still, even considering that Tesla is about to tank, it is going to be our next technical target. However, earnings would only, if Tesla actually crashes after earnings, this would only delay the bullish momentum over here a little bit longer. And this is it. Remember, my dear friends, Dow theory, last tenet, the last principle. Trends persist until a clear reversal occurs. This is the most underrated Dow theory tenet ever. But you guys over here are going to pay attention to the main trend as usual. I am sure about that. And if you are still watching this video and you are not my subscriber, consider subscribing, because I am here every single day to keep you guys updated every single day on Tesla stock, on the indices, etc. So come on, join the Finance Hydra channel. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow after earnings. Stay safe. Bye bye.